English Grammar Lesson, Pre-Intermediate Level, Conditions, Part 2. Zero condition. If you turn off the faucet, water stops flowing. If you close your eyes, you can't see. If you exercise regularly, you'll stay healthy. If you miss the train, you'll be late. If you plant seeds, they'll grow into plants. If you play with fire, you'll get burned. If you save money, you can buy something nice. If you listen carefully, you'll understand. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. If you wait patiently, your turn will come. If you break the rules, there are consequences. If you smile, people usually smile back. If you add sugar to coffee, it becomes sweeter. If you turn on the heater, the room gets warm. If you miss your alarm, you'll oversleep. If you wear sunscreen, you won't get burned. If you follow the recipe, the dish turns out delicious.